Hey guys, what's going on? Nick here from Metalogic Design, and today we're going to go through how to use ChatGPT for keyword research in Google Ads. If you have not already, I will put the link in the description below of our previous videos of how to do keyword research. We do them using SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, and Google Search Console. So I will leave that in the description below, and today is going to focus on ChatGPT and using it as a base for newcomers. So if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So again, this is going to be an intro to using ChatGPT for keyword research. If you want more data and a much better way to do keyword research, I will put in the description a link to our other video that goes through doing keyword research on SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, and Google Search Console. But let's go ahead and do this just to get a hang of it. So in this example, we are going to assume the role as a plumber in the area. So I'll just go ahead and start with the prompt. Oop, that is not what I want. I want to start with the prompt, generate keyword ideas for a local plumbing service. Let's go ahead and see what it spews out. So it's going to give just some generic stuff, right? Emergency plumber in city area, reliable plumber city area, gas leak repair, all this good stuff. If you are unaware how Google Ads works, I will give a brief description. So within Google Ads, there are campaigns, and in your campaigns, you can have ad groups. And ad groups are just subsets of what the campaign generally is. So, right, I want my campaign to revolve around plumbing, and in my ad group, I can have a certain set of keywords for emergency drain cleaning. I can have another ad group for gas leak repair, and another one for a water leak replacement near me or water leak repair. Why we do this is that our ad groups, we can get more specific, our click-through rates go higher, and they're much easier to manage. So what I'm going to do is do this prompt. That's going to say cluster these into 3 categories. So emergency service, routine maintenance, and installations, right? So, right, what I'm saying is that this is going to be one ad group here, and these are the keywords that it wants me to put there. Routine maintenance will be the other one. These are the keywords for that ad group, and installations will be these here. So, looking at this now, I actually do really like how they have this set up. So, you can see they have long tail keywords, near me, after hours plumbing service, in city area. So, all of these have been good keywords. If you are doing the same as me and just not having the best luck, make sure just to kind of dial in your inputs. What we would do now is we're going to go ahead and build the campaign using what ChatGPT gave us. So let's go ahead and go over to this campaign here in Google Ads, right? So we're in Google Ads, we're going to go to campaigns, click this blue button and select new campaign. We're going to click leads. We'll continue, we'll add a goal later. Search, and our ways are going to be the ways that you would like to. So typically what we see are website visits and phone calls. Again, I don't have anything to put here, so just put your website and phone number here. Click continue. Campaign name, I will make plumbing. Let's go ahead and move on to the next section, which is going to be setting up all of our stuff. Again, if you want a full breakdown of how to do this, we've made a great video my brother Mike did of how to essentially create the Google Ads campaign from start to finish. So I will link that in the description as well. It's a 3-hour video, I believe, but it is fantastic. It goes through in detail how to do all of this stuff here. What we are focused in is in keywords and ads. So, right, our keywords and ads are going to be emergency services. Let's grab this first. So we'll grab this, we'll put these here, and then what you would do is you go in your city and area, right? Put your city and area in and just kind of follow the steps through there. And we can scroll down through ads. So again, if you are doing this, you most likely are not familiar with Google Ads and you kind of want just some guidance. If you are, then this is going to be good just for a refresh, right? Maybe you haven't thought of some of these words and you need some help bolstering your campaign. Again, if you are new here, I will leave the link in the description below for my brother's video on Google Ads. He does a great job explaining everything. I just wanted to show you what it would look like here. If I was going to build the rest of this ad set out, what I would then do next is within final URL, I would put the URL to the page I want to bring visitors to. And then in headlines here, I would grab the keywords up top and make sure that for the most part, some of these match. So I would, again, they give you ideas. So I would copy Piper's Repair near me, paste it in here, same thing. I would fix capitalization. I think it just looks better. So make sure the first letter of every word is capitalized. So near me. So it would look like this first one up here. The descriptions, you can also use ChatGPT to generate. Again, you want to include some of these keywords into your descriptions. And site links, callouts, all that kind of stuff can be found in my brother's video. I just wanted to show you what it would look like creating an ad group from scratch. What we are focused on is going to see how good of a job ChatGPT did. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is go to the homepage of Google Ads, if we can get there. All right, so got there magically. And under tools, we'll go to planning. It's going to open a drop down. And here we're going to select keyword planner. We're going to then click discover new keywords. And let's go ahead and paste in some of our keywords. So we'll go ahead and grab the first one here, emergency plumber near me. And we will fill in our city and area. I'm in the Orlando area currently. And we can do get results. So here are the results of our search. So you can see here we have the keywords we provided on the top and the keyword ideas on the bottom. And let's go ahead and go column by column here. So average monthly searches is going to be 100 people to 1,000 people. You can see the 3-month change in terms of percentage, the year-over-year change, and what the most important metric is going to be for us here is going to be competition. So you can see that the competition level, is going to be high. And what that means is that your clicks are going to be high because this is a good keyword, right? People are looking for emergency plumber Orlando and it's a very populated, dense area. So we'll go ahead and go next to add impression share. Typically it does not see this because we don't have the keyword active. And then the next is going to be top of page bid and top of page bid high range. So what this means is, let's go ahead and open a new tab, paste emergency plumber Orlando. So under the Google local service ads listings, we will have the top of page ad right here. So this is essentially what Google is referring to when it says top of page bid high and low. So on the low end, people are paying $32, and on the high end, people are paying $87. Depending on your budget, the golden standard, and actually no matter what budget it is, I should say, competition low, top of page bid low. And obviously you want your average monthly searches to be in a good, reasonable area there. So if you want to go ahead and use this method for your keyword research, what you should do then is you would go one by one. You can actually add it all in one time at one here. So I will show you how that looks like. You go ad group by ad group. You can, this is the thing invalid because it's saying city area. So you would click search. Here is our keywords we provided and all of the data. So, all right, guys, that is the end of the video today. I really do hope this helped and that you stuck with me through the whole video. Please like it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye now.